morning students, we are continuing lesson number 5, Introduction to Excel 2013. Children, last time we studied how can we delete cell contents and how can we delete cell, row, column from the Excel sheet. Children, to delete data or cell content, we have to select the cell and we will press the delete key from keyboard, or we can use the clear content option from the shortcut menu. It will only delete the data, it will not delete the cell from the Excel sheet. To delete a cell from the Excel sheet, we will select the cell and we will just right click on the cell. We will see there is a delete option. We will choose the delete option, and when we click on a delete option, children, delete dialog box appears. In that there are 4 options. Shift cell left. When we select this option, it moves the cells from right to left. When we select the option shift cell up, it shifts the cells from the bottom to top. And delete entire column or delete entire row will delete the complete row or column in which the cell is selected. So this way, children, we can delete data, delete cell, delete row, delete column from the Excel sheet. Now today we will understand how can we use autofill feature in MS Excel. Children, Microsoft Excel allow us to enter the data automatically with the help of autofill feature. In autofill, there are some predefined series. We can use them like name of months, name of days, and also we can enter the numbers in a sequence. Autofill is also used to copy the formula from one cell to another cell. Now see, we can enter name of months with the help of autofill feature. Day's name can be also entered with it, and we can enter the numbers in series. Children, when we have to enter the number in series, autofill feature see that first two numbers difference, and according to the difference of first two numbers, it will fill up the next numbers in the series. There are 4 series you can see in the picture. First series is 10, 20, 30. Children, to use a autofill feature, it is important that first two values we have to enter. Now autofill feature will see the difference between the first two number 10 and 20, that is 10's difference. So next number it has filled 30, 40. In the next series you will see there is a difference of 4, 1 and 5, there is a difference of 4. So after 5 the next number is coming 9, 13, like that. In the third series there is a difference of 100, that is the reason after 100, 200, 300 is coming. Children, remember first two numbers we have to enter. हमें फर्स्ट टू नंबर्स को एंटर करना है और उसके डिफरेंस के अकॉर्डिंग ऑटोफिल फीचर नेक्स्ट ऑफ द नंबर सीरीज में फिल करेगा. नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ कैन वी यूज ऑटोफिल फीचर. एज आई टोल्ड यू, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू एंटर 2 values in the sequence. Suppose we want to fill the name of days. So first 2 name of days we have to fill, like Monday, Tuesday. Then we will select both the cells and we will see that at the bottom right corner there will be a green square appears, that is known as a fill handle. We will place our mouse pointer to that and our mouse pointer, children, changes into the plus sign. Now we will press the left mouse button and we will drag to fill the series. And you will see that when we drag the mouse pointer, it shows a preview of last number that being generated, and then we will release the mouse button. We will see that series will be filled by autofill feature automatically. Only first two numbers or first two values from the series we have to enter. Now in autofill we will see that there are various sub options are coming, like fill series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting, fill days, fill weekdays, flash fill. First is we will understand fill series. Children, when we click on this option, it will fill the data exactly that is we have entered. Fill formatting only. It only fills formatting, not the content. Fill without formatting. This option will fill the series data but without formatting. It will not copy the format from the first two values. Flash fill. Children, this option is little bit different. This option first analyze the data that we have entered and automatically enter the data when it identify the pattern. When it see that the matching pattern is coming, then it fill up the same series. Now how can we use the auto flash fill option in autofill? First we will enter the first value of the series and then we will drag the mouse button. Now children, see, if we click on a flash fill option, it will see that the matching pattern is coming earlier or not. If it coming earlier, then according to that pattern, it will fill up the data in the selected series. Now see, we have already entered the name Tina, Deepa, Khushi, Ravina and Neha. And when we have entered Tina Private Limited and when we were dragging and we have selected the flash fill option, it has just filled up the same pattern like Deepa Private Limited, Khushi Private Limited, Ravina Private Limited, Neha Private Limited. So flash fill option just check the matching pattern and fill accordingly. Fill days. Children, fill weekdays will fill all the working days of a week. Monday to Friday. Again it starts from the Monday to Friday. Fill days will fill all the days of a week, Monday to Sunday. Next topic that we have to study is a calculation using Excel. Children, we can do calculation in MS Excel and Excel is only popular due to the calculation feature. In Excel, we use formula. Formula is what? It is an equation that performs the calculation. When we write a formula, it performs calculation for us. We don't have to do calculation. Only one thing is important children, we have to write correct formula. अगर हम correct formula write करेंगे तो हमें correct calculation result मिलेगा. Now, there is a rule that we have to write a formula with equals to sign. It starts with equals to sign. And children, when we write a formula and press enter key, then we will see the cell shows result and formula bar shows the formula we have entered. Formula is a combination of mathematical operator plus, minus, multiplication, division operator and cell address or values. We can directly enter the use the values like 2, 3 or we can use a cell address A1, B1, B2. Now see children, in this example you will see that we have entered the value in B3, C3 and D3 and in E3 we have written a formula. It starts with equals to sign and then we have used a mathematical operator plus and division and also we have used a parenthesis. In next example you will see that we have used a multiplication operator and addition operator. Please children remember that when we use a formula, it use BODMAS rule that we studied in the next coming topic. When we write a formula and press enter key, you will see that cell will shows result and formula bar shows the formula. Children, just see that C5 multiplied 2 plus B5. In this you will see that we have used a cell address C5 and B5 and we have also used a value. We can use directly the value or we can use a cell address. Next important point is use of pointing method. Children, when we are writing formula, and we don't have to see the correct cell address for the cell value. We can just simply use pointing method. For example, when we are writing equals to B3 multiply C3 divided by D3, then we don't have to write B3. We simply click on the B3 cell. It will automatically take the cell address. After B3 we will just use multiplication sign. हम multiplication sign लगाएंगे and then we will just click on the C3 cell with the mouse. Automatically C3 का address इस formula में आ जाएगा. Then we will use division sign and then we will click on the D3 cell. D3 cell का address भी ये automatically ले लेगा. This is called the pointing method. We can use pointing method in writing formula or other calculation work. BODMAS rule in Excel. Children, as you know that in mathematics we use BODMAS rule when we are simplifying in mathematical equation. Just like that, in Excel also we have used BODMAS rule. The rule is that first bracket, then division and multiplication, and after that addition and subtraction will be solved. Children, in Excel, division and multiplication have a same precedence and addition and subtraction have a same precedence. It means if in any equation multiplication and division will come, then it will just calculate it from left to right. And in any equation if addition and subtractions are coming together, then calculation start from left to right, because addition and subtraction have a same precedence in Excel. Now see children, in this example you will see that formula is equals to B3 multiplied by C3 plus D3. As you know, multiplication has a higher precedence than addition. That is the reason first 13 into 2 it will be multiplied like 26 and then it will add 5. So 26 plus 5 will be 31. In the next example you will see that we have used subtraction and addition. As I told you, they have a same precedence. So first it start from left side, that is subtraction. After subtraction addition will be used. सबसे पहले कंप्यूटर C3 minus B3 करेगा, that is 2 minus 13 होगा, that will be minus 11, and then computer will add minus 11 plus 5. So children, it will be minus 6. So this way MS Excel performed the calculation. In this example you will see that multiplication and division is coming together. So children, first multiplication will be solved, then division will be simplified. Now see, C3 multiply B3, it means first 25 multiply by 10, it will be 250, then it will divided by D3, that is 5. So 250 divided by 5 will be the 50, and then addition will be performed. Addition का precedence multiplication और division से lower होता है. So after that 50 plus 5 will be the 55. So this way it will simplify. Thank you.